Welcome to JT Hughes in Telford. My name's Mark. Today I'm going to show you this used Audi A4 Estate fitted with a diesel engine, 6-speed manual gearbox, comprehensive service history, well specified vehicle as you'll see as we go round, front and rear parking sensors, privacy glass to the rear compartment. We have power tailgate, giving access to a very spacious boot, 60/40 split fold rear seats. There's your button for your power tailgate. We have the full leather interior, fold away centre armrest, electric windows all round, auto headlights, also fitted with satellite navigation. There we go. And the parking aid, as you can see there. Heated front seats, dual zone climate control, the MMI control module, electronic parking brake, cruise control. Very nicely specified car. The car comes with 2 keys, will be sold with a 6-month parts and labour warranty which can be extended. Just ask for details, and we offer a range of comprehensive and competitive finance packages, details of which can be found on the website. If you wish to arrange a test drive, you can either give us a call, Mark 01952 299 822, or you can book online on our website. Thanks for watching, bye bye.